Hello, guys. Good morning to. Welcome to our live trading session for today. All right. So, as usual, we will be analyzing the market, and when I get a good entry opportunity, we're going to be, scalping the market. All right. If this is your first time joining us, welcome to our live trading session. So we hold this session every morning, Monday to Fridays. All right, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay. So what we do here is I analyze the market and we scalp the market where we get good entry opportunities. All right. So what you need to do is fund your account. Okay. So you can participate when I give out a free signal. And how do you do that? You see you see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. If you click on the banner, it will take you to where you can make deposit. All right. It will take you to the deposit page. So once you are on the deposit page, if you fund your account with at least $10, you'll be qualified to join my premium group. All right. So I have a premium group where I give out better signals. Remember when I said what we do here is scalping. All right. So we're just looking for little movement in the market. I want to take advantage of the little movements. But in the premium group, I give out intraday signals. So these are signals you can hold for a longer time and you can make better profit. All right. So to join the premium group, and aside signals, aside getting signals in the premium group, I also post analysis, premium analysis, and premium market report. All right. And when there's a news event that is about to happen, I notify my premium members. All right. So all you need to do is fund your account, click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. It will take you to the deposit page. Fund your account with at least $10. $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200, $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. All right, a live session. So guys, let's do this. Yeah. All right. So let's see what's going on in the market. Let's try to scalp. Let's see if we can make a few dollars this morning. So we are currently on XAU USD. Okay, XAU USD. So if you've been following me, you know by now that I love trading the gold market. Okay, I love trading the gold market. Gold market is very profitable. I'm telling you. All right, the gold market is very profitable if you know how to go about it. All right. So the problem most people have is knowing how to do it. But trust me, once you get the knowledge, uh, profit is guaranteed. All right. So when I say profit is guaranteed, it doesn't mean that you'll be winning the market 100% every time. Okay. Yeah. Forex trading is business. All right. So there are risks involved. Risks, rather. You make profits, you make losses, but the most important thing is you want to keep the ratio of your profits higher than the ratio of your losses. Okay. So if you're making, let's say, 70% profit, yes, that means you become guru, right? Okay, so XAU USD. Let's see what's going on here. Right, the market is currently here on this fair value gap. You see, guys, I'm still using my strategy. Okay, so if you want, further and better explanation of this strategy, just go and fund your account with at least $200. Okay, so with that, you'll be able to get have a one-on-one session with me, and then we can talk about strategies, how to make profits, right? So obviously, this market is a bullish market, right? So we have this trend line from the higher time frame, and you see the channel is facing up, which means the market is still on a bullish move, right? But we are currently on the 30 minutes time frame, and we also have this little move that has happened before. So if you are a scalper, you don't need to start analyzing the market from the daily time frame. Honestly, I see no reason for that. If you analyze your market from higher time frame, it's still not going to give you 100% entry. Yeah. So the most important thing is to catch the market movement. Okay. So just be able to tell the direction the market is going currently, presently. All right. Not what the market has done before. Yeah, I know price action involves you analyzing what the market has done previously, but you don't have to go like too deep back. You don't have to go too far back. All right, so look at my analysis here. This is the 1 hour time frame. Look at see where I took the analysis from. Since the market hasn't gone to this point, this is where I'll be looking for a sell opportunity. Okay, this is where I'll be looking for a sell opportunity, but the market hasn't gotten there. All right, the market is currently here, and we have another space here, and the market has filled the space. So the only way to go for XAUUSD now is to buy to this trend, to this resistance zone, right? So let's see if we are going to get a rejection here. All right, we have about 6 minutes thereabout to the end of this current candle. And once the candle finish printing, uh, we would know if this is a good entry opportunity for a buy. All right. Let's just see what happens. Let's wait for the candle to finish printing. Right. So we have a previous rejection that has happened before, and the market has come back into that same zone for the second time. All right. Let's see if the zone is going to be respected once more. Right. So this is 5 minutes time frame. Let's see what happens with this current candle on the 5 minutes. All right. Let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. All right. We have about less than 5 minutes to the end of this candle on the 15 minutes time frame. So I would suggest we look at the analysis from this time frame, since this is where we made the analysis. So once we get the rejection of this current candle on the 15 minutes time frame, we are placing a buy trade. Okay, and this is our Right, this is our take profit level. This would be our stop loss. Right. Okay, less than 3 minutes to the end of this current candle now. You see, we are getting a reaction on 15 minutes time frame, and on the 5 minutes time frame, we are getting a bullish engulfing candle. So this is a good combination, yeah. So once we get a good satisfying rejection, we are going to place a buy trade. Okay, a minute and a few more seconds to the end of this current candle. Guys, get your account ready. Stay on XAU USD chart. All right, few seconds more to the end of the candle. Okay, guys, XAU USD buy now. XAU USD buy now. Guys, we're not going to be spending too much time on this trade. As we all know, XAU USD is very volatile. All right. All right, we are buying XAU USD. Okay, we are scalping the trade on 15 minutes time frame. Though we are not going to stay long. All right, so if you took the trade immediately, I call the buy. You should be making little profit by now. All right. So our trade is still running, guys. Okay, our trade is still running, and we are making profit step by step. Right. So guys, remember we are scalping few more moves to the upside, and we are closing our trade. All right, guys. All right, guys. Let's take profit. So we made profit, guys. We made profit from our first trade this morning. Right. So that was a nice move. I said it earlier. I said we are scalping the market. Okay. So we just took profit on our first trade of the day. Okay. Beautiful profit. All right. So let's move on to the next entry opportunity. You say the market is still moving to the upside. The market is still giving us profit, but we are out of the market. Okay. We don't want to be too greedy. So even if it is 50 cents you made, profit is profit. Okay, that is half of a dollar. All right. So here on BTC USDT 15 minutes time frame, we have this. Okay, we have this on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so let me analyze for that. All right, so BTC, the crypto instruments are not suitable for smaller accounts. All right, they are not suitable for smaller accounts. You see, this is why you need to fund. Um, you need to fund your account. You need to fund. You need to deposit a better amount of money. All right. So, as a forex trader, someone that wants to make money from forex trading, I would suggest you fund at least, okay, at least $50. So with $50, you can hold better trades. All right. If you have less than $50 and there are limits to the positions you can open, right? And you also be limited to some certain instruments you can trade on, right? If you have $50 and above, you can trade BTC, you can trade the crypto instruments. But if you're having lesser, um, I don't recommend you trading the crypto instruments. I mean, they are very volatile. Okay? They are very volatile. If you are having a small balance, and the market goes against you, you can easily lose your money to the market. So that is why I don't suggest trading a small account, right? But if you are interested in this trade, I'm gonna give it out. BTC Okay, so this is a good opportunity here. All right. So let me copy out the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. In case you are interested. All right. So this is our take profit one, take profit two, and this is our stop loss. All right. So and as I've said earlier, this is not suitable for small accounts. All right. So you see the analysis was made on the 30 minutes time frame. Let's go to lower time frame, see if we can scalp this market. Okay. So if you have a small account, uh, let's see if we can also enter the trade or take this opportunity with our small account. Okay. All right. So I don't want the market to go above this level. I want to get a rejection here. Okay. In fact, I want the rejection to go below this level, right? Below this level. So once this market goes below this level, we are going to place a sell trade, all right, using this as our stop loss and probably this low as our take profit level, right? So we are currently on the 5 minutes time frame and we have less than 3 minutes to the end of this current candle. All right, less than 2 minutes. So with what we are able to achieve here on our live stream, just imagine what is going on in the premium group. Yeah. So guys, fund your account, deposit at least $10. Then you'll be eligible to join the premium group for 2 weeks, $15 for 1 month, and $200 for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one session with me. Okay. A session where I will be able to teach you how to become a profitable forex trader and even share with you my personal trading strategy. All right. So if you're a beginner, we can start from the beginning. If you are an intermediary, all I need to do is, just teach you a winning strategy, a strategy that has about 85% winning rate. All right. So all you need to do is just fund your account, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Fund the account with at least $200, and then we get to have a one-on-one session for our conversation. All right. So you see right now, the market is giving us a rejection from this point. Okay. But the confirmation is I want the market to go below this level. All right. So once the market goes below this level, that way we have a change of character on the lower time frame. Then we can take, this is what I'm waiting for. Something like this. So this would be our liquidity taking out. All right. Our normal breakout structure. Let me use breakout structure instead. So we have a breakout structure to the upside, and we have. So what we want now is we want this market to violate this low. Okay, we have this previous low, so we want it to violate that low and go below this level. So once the market goes below this level, then we have a good confirmation that the market is going to sell for a while. All right. All right. So the candle closed, but we are still not getting the entry confirmation yet. All right. So I would suggest we move ahead. All right. Go to the junior brother of BTC USDT. All right. I just love calling it that. I mean, their movements are similar. So when BTC is buying, Ethereum is also buying. When BTC is selling, Ethereum is selling, and they have similar moves, similar structures. You see what I'm talking about. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. You see, it looks exactly the same thing. Yeah. So right now, um, we've got a sell, a sell on BTC USDT. So let's see if we can place trade on Ethereum also. No, it doesn't hurt to get two opportunities at once. Yeah. So if they are doing the same thing, let's also do the same thing. If they want to sell to the downside, let's sell them to the downside. Right. Okay. So on the 30 minutes time frame, as you can see, I want the market to come back to go into this level, right? So we have a 15 minutes uh, point of interest, okay, 15 minutes point of interest, which is fair value gap here. So I want the market to get into the 50%, right? I want you to read the 50% of this fair value gap, and this is the 50%. Okay, so once the market get to the 50%, I'm going to take a sell trade using this level, which is the previous high or the recent high. This is the recent high. Aside this high, there's no other high here. Okay, so this recent high as my stop loss level, and then the recent low as my take profit level. Okay, so let's make that a round figure. That now we have 3 RR. Okay, we are using a 3 risk to reward ratio. So if you don't know what risk to reward ratio mean, is how much you want to make from the amount you are risking. So let's say you are risking like $1 right now. You want your reward ratio to be greater, okay, than your risk. So say for example here I'm using a risk reward ratio of 3 to 1. So I'm risking 1 to make 3, right? That's like a multiple of whatever I'm risking here. So whatever I risk here, I'm going to make 3 times of it. That's what is that's basically what risk to reward ratio means. All right. So let's move on to another instrument. Okay, let's go to BTC USDT. And for Ethereum USDT, this is the 15 minutes time frame. And so this is going to take a while to get in here. All right. So that's why I suggest we move on, go to the next instrument, see if we can get another opportunity there. All right, we are currently on BNB USDT. Okay, let's see what's going on the BNB USDT. The crypto instruments are all similar in nature, all right, but just that some are faster than the other. Their movements, okay, their movements are faster than the other. Even though BNB is going to act the same way BTC is acting, there's still going to be a gap. Okay, so that is why you see some people will be selling a particular instrument at some point while the others are selling, and they are both making profit. All right. So, so here we have this other block. Right. We have this other block. So this was the last move that created this high, and aside this high, there's no any other high. Okay, you see, this didn't go above this level. Okay, so this is the recent high. This is the low that created the high. So let's see if a structure was violated. Yes, you see, it was violated here. So that means that area is now a change of character area. All right. So change of character is when the market is trying to reverse, okay, to the opposite direction. So the market has been going up, creating higher highs, but when it got to this point, the market failed to go up further. Instead, the market came back down to break a low. Okay, instead of continuing to create higher high, breaking highs. So instead, here the market decided to come down and break this low. So what this simply means is here we are going to get a change of direction. Okay, so now that this has been created, the market is then going to move up, look for entry opportunity to sell to the downside. All right. So this is what I expect the market to do from here. Okay, I expect the BNB USDT to sell. This would be my stop loss. This low will be my first take profit level. Okay, and this low here will be my second take profit level. So we have a low here, we have a high here, right? So the current candle is already giving us a rejection, but we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can get a sniper entry from here. All right, so we have the market moving from this point. Okay, so guys, as I've said from the beginning, the crypto instruments are very volatile. Okay, so you want to double check on your confirmations before you place an entry. All right, so right now we have what it takes to sell this market, but I'm not going to give this out because we already took a trade on BTC USDT. Okay, so but instead, let me see if I can share this with my premium members. Let me see how much I'm going to be risking for this trade. All right. Okay. So just as I thought, um, so for this trade, if we are using 0.01, you see, our stop loss is going to be about $8. So you see, this is why I said it's not suitable for a small account. Okay. Well, let me see how I can decrease my stop loss for my premium members. Okay. So I want to decrease the stop loss for the premium members. 9. Okay, still about $6. All right, so let me quickly share the trade with them. Then we'll continue with our activity here. Right. Okay, so we have a trade running uh, in our premium group, BNB USDT, right? Okay, so let's continue to make more analysis. Okay, let's go back to XAU USD. You see the trade we took earlier, the market is still moving towards our take profit. Okay, remember this was our first trade and we made profit. I think we closed the trade around this area, right? Okay, so let's go to the forex instruments. Let's go to forex instruments. Let's do AUDCAD, Aussie against the Canadian dollar. All right. So I made this analysis yesterday, but the market didn't, get to this point to trigger the entry. But overall, the analysis was okay. You see, the market went down. The market went down as speculated. All right. So guys, you see, forex trading is not difficult. Um, you just need to be able to tell the story around it. Okay. So there's always a story for every entry. Just be able to describe what is happening in the market. All right. So be able to differentiate what is going to happen if the market, comes down to this level. Yeah, that's why I call story. Okay. So it is called storytelling in the forex market. Right? Be able to tell the story. That makes you a good analyst. All right. So if you get the story right, you're not going to be getting it 100%. Right. But if you know how to go about it, uh, your winning rate is going to be great. Trust me. And if you want to learn from me directly, just fund your account. Okay, fund at least $200 on this live stream. All you need to do is just click on that banner where deposit with the benefit is written on. So if you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. Okay. So if you deposit $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. All right. So for this $10, you are not going to get a one-on-one session, okay? But you'll be added to the premium group where you get market analysis and free signals and market reports, okay? The same thing if you fund $15, all right? But the only slight difference is for $10, you get to stay in the premium group for 2 weeks. For $15, you get to stay in the premium group for 1 month, okay? And if you fund up to $200, yes, for $200, that is when you get to have the one-on-one session. All right. So aside the benefits I've listed earlier, which is getting free signals, getting free market report and market analysis, you also get to have a one-on-one session with me. Okay, a live session. And guys, you know, the beautiful thing is the money you are funding on the deposit page is going into your trading wallet. All right. So it's not as if you are paying for the benefits you get to enjoy. Even if you fund your account with $200 on my live stream, the money is yours. The money is going into your trading wallet. All right. You still be opening your normal trade with the money. It's your normal deposit. All right. But I just need you to fund on this live stream, so I'll be able to tell, differentiate you from those that don't want to join the premium group. Right. That is the only way I can tell you want to join my premium group, by funding on my live stream. Right. So fund, come and join, come and learn from me. Okay. So you see what we do here on our live stream every day. You see how we are able to get sniper entries, how we make profits from small scalping trades. So if you want to learn how to do that, uh, just fund your account. All right. So for AUDCAD, there's currently no entry opportunity. The market has continued to go down. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's go to AUDJPY, Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. All right, so for the Japanese, Australian dollar against the Japanese yen, the market is currently on a level where we have another block. Okay, we have another block here. All right, so before the other block, let's see what the market has done. Okay, how was this other block created? Okay, so here we have liquidities. This is the 2 hour time frame. All right, let's go to 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame where we can get a better and clearer view. All right, so on the 1 hour time frame, we had this liquidity pool around here, and the market came down to take it out. Right. So here we analyze. Let's label this area as a liquidity area. You see, the market came down to take it out. So this would then be considered as a change of character. Okay. Yeah. So here can be considered as a change of character. Right. So after change of character, what happens next? Now we want the market to come back into this other block. Okay. That is the last bearish move. Okay. We want the market to come back into the last bearish move before it continues to go up. Okay. So the market is currently here where we have a fair value gap. Okay, we have a favor lookup here. But it's just going to use this favor lookup as an inducement. Okay. So what inducement mean is uh, areas where you think the market is going to sell from or buy from. Okay. And then when liquidity happens on such area, we call such area an induced area. Okay. So that is when a lot of buyers, because here right now, you see there's favor lookup, and the favor lookup traders would hope for the market to move from here. Okay. They are expecting the market to start buying from here. So right now, there are a lot of orders here. Okay. A lot of traders has placed a buy order here, and then the market would buy for a little bit. Okay, maybe buy to this level where we have the next favor lookup, then the market will drop down to this point. All right. So for those that place their order here, their stop loss would, probably be below their entry point. So once the market come down, it's going to take their stop losses. All right. So that's what we call inducement in the market. So I hope my explanation is clear. If it's not clear enough, just fund your account. All right. Fund your account with $200. Come and have a one-on-one session. Then I'll be able to break it down better. All right. So you see, the market is still not respecting that zone. Just keeps going down and down. So this is my point of interest. This is where I want the market to get to before I start looking for buy opportunities. Okay, before I start looking for a buy opportunity, I want the market to get down to this level. Okay, so my stop loss is gonna be here. I take profit here. Yeah, yeah, on this high. All right, so this is the analysis for AUDJPY. Okay, now let's move on. This is the 2 hour time frame. So there's no point waiting here. Okay, there's no point waiting on this instrument because we don't have that time to wait until the market gets to our point of interest zone. All right. So let's go look for the one that is going to give us um, a scalping opportunity. Let's go look for one that's going to give us an easy scalping opportunity. So you see here also we have liquidity pool. We have liquidity pool here. So the high that created this low is this high. So let's mark that out. And this can be considered as our change of character. Okay, because what we expected the market to do here is when the market got to this level, we were expecting the market to give us another low. Okay, since the market, um, was a bearish market. But when the market got here, what happened? The market decided to break uh, the recent low instead. Okay, giving us a change of character. So right now the market came to this level, moved to the upside, and right now the market is currently here. Okay, so the market is on this zone where we have our next point of interest, which is our support order block. Okay, wow, guys, this is a good trade, but I'm not going to share it here. Um, this is for my premium members. Okay, so if you want to get this, go and fund your account. Okay, if you want to get this entry, go and fund your account. Fund at least $200. Sorry, fund at least $10. So $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. All right. Okay, let's go down to a lower time frame. Okay, so let me quickly give this to my premium members. KAUD Right. All right. So guys, it's 11 a.m. and our session is scheduled for just an hour. Okay. So if you want to get more signals found on this live stream, just click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. You'll be taken to the deposit page. Once you get there, deposit at least $10, and then you'll be added to the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15, you'll be added to the premium group for 30 days, 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200, you'll be added to the premium group for 30 days, and then you also get a one-on-one session with me, okay, a private session. All right. So guys, that will be all for today. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you all again tomorrow, and bye.